Want truth that cuts deep? Let's talk Nietzsche, not the soft stuff, the real stuff. Here are 10 quotes by Friedrich Nietzsche that can shift your mindset and help you live your best life. 1. He who has a why to live can bear almost any how. Find your purpose. When you know why you're doing it, you can survive anything. 2. No price is too high to pay for the privilege of owning yourself. Stop shrinking. Stop pretending. Be fully you, even if it costs. 3. That which does not kill us makes us stronger. Not just a gym quote. Pain is training. Your scars are armor. 4. Invisible threads are the strongest ties. The real connections? You can't always see them, but they hold your life together. 5. You must have chaos within you to give birth to a dancing star. Your mess has magic. Your storm is your power. Create anyway. 6. A thought, even a possibility, can shatter us and transform everything. One idea can flip your whole life. Stay open. One thought can change everything. 7. The higher we soar, the smaller we appear to those who cannot fly. Let them talk. Not everyone will understand your growth. Fly anyway. 8. In individuals, insanity is rare, but in groups, it is the rule. Don't follow the crowd. Think for yourself. Common doesn't mean right. 9. He who cannot obey himself will be commanded. Discipline is freedom. If you don't lead your life, someone else will. 10. Live your life as a work of art. Not perfect, intentional, bold, beautiful, something you're proud of. Nietzsche didn't write for comfort. He wrote for clarity, and sometimes, clarity is what sets us free. Save this, reread it, let it wake you up. Because your best life, it starts when you stop sleeping on your own power. Follow for more truth that hits.